ഞാൻ ദീപയാണേ. ലവൾമാർ തുമ്പി എന്ന് പറയുന്നവരുണ്ട്, ഒരു വൃന്ദ സമാനന്ദ മന്ദിരത്തിലെ മൂത്തവന്റെ പേരും ഭാര്യയാണ് അവൻ. എന്താന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാല് വീരേന്ദ്ര സിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന അവൻ വേറെ പേരുണ്ട്. മനോജ് പേരൊക്കെ മാറ്റി ഭയങ്കര കള്ളന്മാരായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ട് പേരൊക്കെ മാറ്റി മാറ്റി നടക്കുക, അഡ്രസ്സും പേരും ഒക്കെ മാറ്റി മാറ്റി ഇങ്ങനെ നടപ്പായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ അവനിപ്പം അവന്റെ ഭാര്യയുടെ ജോലി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കമ്പി വന്ന് സമാനന്ദ മന്ദിരത്തിൽ ഇരിക്കാൻ എന്റെ വൈഫൈ ഇക്കകത്ത് കയറി ഇരിക്കാനായിട്ട് ഇവിടുത്തെ ആളാണെന്നുള്ള വരുത്താനായിട്ട് അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ നടക്കുക. ആരുടെയൊക്കെ ഫോൺ, പിന്നെ ആരുടെയൊക്കെ ഫോണും കൊണ്ട് നടക്കുക. ഇതൊക്കെ അവരുടെ പരിപാടി. He will be using my Wi-Fi and to create stories that he belongs to this house, and that somebody else phone he will be carrying and creating stories that those people belong to my house. Actually not. We are bitter enemies and we don't know those bastards. And this this Subramanian, he also wants to snatch my property. He doesn't have a proper he just have a 3 feet pathway, and he got free actually. So he wants now like a highway actually. He wants more he want to widen the pathway. So he is after me actually, and along with that PUP from whom I got divorced. And these students will be always playing methyl isocyanate, organophosphate, DDT, everything upon me. And even today these students are playing spirits actually, spirits to burn my skin. And this type of things these students are doing. Even I have uploaded those things, and these students are blocking my YouTube, which is I have kept all the videos in public actually, but still these students are blocking, so that no public should go to know what is happening here. Nobody should come to know what is actually I am saying to the people. I am actually saying about all these. Why? Because all the people should know what these criminals are doing. From 2020, these criminals started. That time these criminals actually destroyed my 5 CCTV cameras and started creating drama. Now these criminals are switching off my camera and doing the drama. This call camera. And whenever I say all these things, these criminals are blocking my YouTube. Certain videos only these criminals are allowing actually. Views are getting for certain videos only, CCTV footages actually. They are purposely blocking my videos. And and these criminals will be always applying laser on my left kidney to make my face so fat. So that due to water retention, these criminals want to make my face so look so fat. Resemble that to Vrinda. Her name is Vrinda Nakumi. This house belongs to me, my father, and still this house is in my mother's ownership actually. It is written for me, but only after her lifetime. And these criminals are trying to snatch my property. All the property documents I kept in Delhi with my partner, who is there in Kepuram, sector 9 actually. And these criminals are after me, doing all these illegal activities, the impersonation, this and that. These criminals are always editing my camera, and these criminals are doing drama in that Sadananda Mandiram and this Subramanian house. These criminals are always creating dramas actually.